welcome to Niscomed. Now we are talking about mesh nebulizer. So what is in the box? So first we have the main unit. We have the adult mask, and then we have the child mask. We have the power cord, adapter which is optional, you can use on your own, and then we have user manual. Thank you for using Niscomed Mesh Nebulizer.